Maxwell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International, Marston Green, and Birmingham.
I'm filming this.
This train has 8 carriages.
Let's not go, shall we? Oh, there's one on platform 4. Oh, wait. Listen. Come on, man. Come on. Please. Let's go choo-choo. No, I ain't gonna do choo-choo. Yeah!
You did it.
Now there's one on platform 4.
We did it for the memes.
Did it for the memes! Now there's one on platform 4.
Yeah, he was probably waiting for it to close up for. Yeah. Don't you think it would be cool though? Do you know in that Spirit of Steam?
Yeah?
If you could oil.
That's what Lazy just said and I don't agree.
Did he?
Yeah.
I think that would be cool.
I don't agree with that.
I didn't watch the whole video, I think, so he probably did. Oh,
I watched the whole thing. He says the whistle's so cool. But
It would though. Could I get up, grab a can of oil, squirt everything?
I don't see it.
Fancy West Coast.
I'm pausing the recording until it's here.
Bye bye. Wave goodbye.
Such a good engine that is. Such a good driver. Oh, here comes platform 4. London Euston only. Honk. Honk, man! Honk! Please, just honk! Honk! Yeah! Just gave me a thumbs up. Such a beautiful engine. This is one good piece. Like, oh, you know what photo this would do? If I could. George, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get down there. Ready? There you go.
Got so many honks. It's like every 20 minutes there's like a big load of trains that come in, isn't it?
I think they have quiet hours and then they start back up.
I need a thumbnail.
Actually, yeah, this would do a great thumbnail. It's just, I don't know what to say about this train other than it's a good train. Like,
Because the driver.
right, let's go see him off. We're just keeping an eye on one train. Right, I'll tell you when it's off.
Then he'll be the very big legend.
He would be the very big legend. Yes! He's a legend! He's a big legend! Legend! Absolute legend!
He's definitely going down in the history.
Yeah, he's going down in history, fam.
Why?
Bye!
Twice!
No, he did it 3 times.
Oh yeah!
Ah, legend!
Oh my god!
What a legend he is, fam.
You're not going to get any footage like that ever again.
No, we aren't. I mean, unless we get another.
My camera quality right here is shaky. I can edit it out.
Let's sit over here. There's another one. No, it's because we weren't there in time. Don't worry, it's fine.
Don't worry, we won't put you in the hell book, okay?
Okay, platform 4, this is our chance. Right, I'll see you when it comes. Yeah, that class is considered a legend. Oh yeah, I'm not using my vlog camera as you can see. Like, yeah. I'm using a boring phone. Yeah, platform 4, for sure. No, do the choo-choo, dude. When it gets into the station. Choo-choo. Choo-choo, fam. Another train, another train, another train. Choo-choo. Come on! Come on! Yeah! Woo! Let's go! We had like 6 trains on. Legends. Little things in life. Little things in life.
Announcement, passengers on platform 5 and 6. If you have lost your mobile phone, please find a member of staff on platform 5 and 6 as we may be in possession of it.
Oh. At least I haven't lost my phone. It's got YouTube on it. The whole YouTube channel with like almost getting close to 100. How many subscribers you got now?
Me?
Yes.
94, I think I counted, or 5, I can't remember.
I have 86. I might have more.
That guy was good.
Can't be honest. It's a joke.
We need to take everyone home.
I'm really comfortable with them. You know what I mean? Oh! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're having loads of shots today, aren't we? I'll see you when we get another train.
It doesn't stop.
Right, we've got a train, so we might be able to get it to honk.
Fancy West Coast.
Yeah, we might be able to get it to honk, guys. Yep.
I wish I was that driver.
Yeah.
Full throttle, not stopping. 75 miles per hour.
Or is it Fancy West Coast? No.
See you next year, Flying Scotsman going to come by at 75.
Oh, do this, do this, do this. Do this. You sure that's not stopping?
It's not, they don't go fast enough. No, that is actually going quite fast. Come on, do it for me!
Do it!
Do it for me!
Do it!
Yeah, that's what
Do it! Yeah! How to make them get a horn penalty?
3 times!
Oh, really? So,
legend.
going down in another legend
That's not
book.
350.
No, that's not.
I don't know what that was.
360, something.
It had a different horn.
Yeah.
I can tell.
No, they do have different tones.
Yeah, they have
The
2
next train
tones.
to arrive at platform 6 will be the 11:44 event.
This is our chance to get another honking. How long are we here for? We're here for another 20 minutes.
5 minutes.
20.
The other one here is going to come in 5 minutes.
No, as you just said, there's one coming through.
11:44.
Stafford, Crewe, Warrington Bank,
Anyway, we're here for another 20 minutes.
and
And then we'll go. And then we'll get some pancakes.
11 carriages.
Do you have sugar?
That tickets marked London North Western Railway
You have sugar?
only are not valid on this train.
Do you have sugar at yours?
First
Oh, cool.
at the rear of the
Why don't you
train.
use chocolate? No.
We're everyone at home, so Can you agree that chocolate is disgusting on pancakes? Yes, drop a like if you do. Yeah, but sugar's better.
Yeah, but how do you know if you never had chocolate on a pancake?
Yeah, but sugar's better. Along with a bit of lemon.
I'll force you to try some of mine.
No, you won't.
Yeah.
No, you won't.
You can see.
No.
Birmingham New Street,
Oh, yellow signal. Wait. Wait, come on.
Coventry,
Could be one coming through.
Birmingham New Street, Sandrun and
Gonna try and make him honk at us again.
Stafford, Crewe, Warrington Bank,
Always platform 6 is just bad.
Preston. This train has
Yeah, it's coming.
Is it?
Avanti.
Avanti.
I feel like that's all we've been getting at the moment.
Yeah. We've had some pretty good drivers today. Mainly on this platform, platform 5 and platform 4. For where I don't see him next. Might want to get away from the platform edge. Sure, gets him out the way. Don't ruin this historical moment. If you don't want to be on YouTube, get out of the way.
Now start honking, start honking.
Go on, please, 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 we beg you, we beg you. Not always Avantis. Come on, come on. Ah, come on, fam. Boring. But I'm going in the worst driver's book. Oh, no,
You don't?
no,
I'm gonna finish this filming here though now.
yeah. Well, we'll leave at 5. Not 5. 12.
You said that no, it would only be an hour.
Well, it's already been an hour.
Yeah, but who cares? Who cares?
Who cares? They'll come get us. I'm sure. Yeah, how dare they not honk? I mean, beautiful loco. Though. I need one like yours where it. For the memes, please, 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 please. Come on, man, just honk. Oh, okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's what we ask. Woo!
Climate change train!
Finally. That's quite a rare one to see. That's a very good one. I like that. Oh, it's about the planet. Okay, yeah. Ride against climate change. Yeah, at least we're getting some honks.
Oh, this is such a good, pretty train.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Alright, well,